In this short video, I'm going to show you how to request to increase your server account quota on Kamatera. Begin first by logging into your Kamatera account and you'll be taken to your dashboard. On your dashboard, look to the left hand side and then at the very bottom, click on Billing. Then click on Billing Profile. In your billing profile, at the very top, you'll see your account balance. Then you'll see your billing profile, and at the very bottom, you'll see account quota. You can see my account quota is quite limited. I'm only able to have a maximum of 2 servers running at the same time. Currently, I'm using one of 2. My server creation frequency for 30 days is 15 servers. I have already created 4 servers for this month. My maximum server price for the month, my IP address frequency is 15. The IP address frequency count is 0 IPs, and the maximum IPv4 addresses per server is 4 IPs. So if you wanted to increase the account quota for any of these quotas here displayed, then what you'll need to do is click on Request Quota Increase. So I'm going to be increasing the amount of servers that I can have active at the same time. So currently I can only have 2 servers maximum. I'm going to make it 5. And then if you want to request an increase in quotas for other parameters here, you can fill in those appropriate sections for you. I'm going to leave these blank, and then I'm going to provide a detailed reason for why I want to increase the amount of active servers from 2 to 5 on my Kamatera server. Now you should give a very detailed explanation of why you're making this request. However, because this is a video demonstration, I'm just going to keep it rather short. Please keep in mind that you'll need to type a bit more and give more details. I need to make a quota request increase for 5 servers active at the same time instead of 2. The purpose is for hobby projects. So there we go, that's my request purpose, and you can see that the send button to make our request quota increase is still faded out, which means we probably have to fill in one more parameter. So I'm going to go with maximum server price. So I believe the current quota for this is 100, so I'm just going to leave it at 100 USD, as the main reason for making this request is to have 5 servers actively running at the same time. And there we go, we can see the send button is now clickable. So once you're happy with your request for quota increase, click on send. Your request will then process and be sent. At the bottom of account quota, you'll then see a message from Kamatera which says your request has been sent to your Kamatera Cloud Platform Executive Account Manager for account review. And then you'll see the date and time, and it says he will contact you within up to 24 hours. And if your quota increase is urgent, you can send an email to the following email address, support@kamatera.com. And there we go, that concludes the video on how to request to increase your server account quota on Kamatera. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you want to support me and my channel, consider subscribing. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?